Hi, my name is Mark Cox. I'm a pre-owned technician at Morrie's 394 Hyundai. And today I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb on a Hyundai Sonata. All you do is twist that cap off. And then there should be like a little locking pin that you have to push down on and then pull down so you can flip it out of the way. Some of them are pretty tricky. You have to unplug the harness off of it. Then you pull the bulb out. Then you get your new bulb. There'll be certain pins that go into it a certain direction. So you gotta put that back in at the same spot, re-clamp it down with your clamp, and then re-plug it in and put your cover back on. But on certain vehicles, say this Mercedes-Benz over here, to do the headlight bulb on this one, you have to take bolts out. Then you also have to take the front bumper cover back off some so you can get the whole headlight assembly out to access that cap in the back. So that's why we charge what we do to do headlights, because some of them are simple like the Sonata, otherwise some of them are more elaborate like Mercedes-Benz or other vehicles. So that's how you change a headlight bulb.